Are you worried about the high costs of nursing home care? Afraid that a health problem could wipe out your savings and leave nothing for your family? If you're losing sleep over how to protect what you've worked for, you're not alone. My name is Ted Gudorf, board-certified estate planning and elder law attorney, and I help families like yours protect their money from long-term care costs. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can shield your savings, get benefits you deserve, and keep your family financially secure, even if you think it's too late. Over the past 30 years, I've helped hundreds of families navigate the confusing world of elder law planning. Take Mary and John, for example. When John needed nursing home care, they were told they'd have to spend almost all their $300,000 in savings before getting Medicaid. After working with us, they protected over 75% of their money while still getting John the care he needed. Or consider Susan, whose mother was already in a nursing home paying $9,000 each month from her savings. Even at this crisis stage, we used strategies that saved half her mother's money, keeping well over $100,000 for Susan's family. These aren't rare cases. Our clients regularly protect 50 to 100% of their assets while making sure their loved one gets good care. The truth is that long-term care costs are going up fast. The average nursing home now costs over $106,000 per year, and that's expected to reach $169,000 by 2031. Men typically stay for 2.2 years, women for 3.7 years, and people with memory problems, like my own father, had well over 8 years. This means a long-term care event could cost your family anywhere from $300,000 over $1 million. What's worse, people often get conflicting advice. The nursing home says one thing, the Medicaid worker says another, your financial advisor might say something completely different. This confusion leads to costly mistakes when you're already dealing with a hard situation. Let me share the 5 critical mistakes I see families make all the time. Mistake number 1, listening to the wrong people about spending down assets. I recently met with a woman whose husband needed nursing home care. The nursing home told her to spend half their savings before applying for Medicaid. This was completely wrong. With proper planning, she didn't need to spend down at all. Another family was told to give all their money to the nursing home until they had less than $2,000. We saved that family over $140,000 by using legal strategies instead. Mistake number 2, applying for benefits without proper planning. Many people apply for VA benefits or Medicaid benefits on their own, get denied, and lose months of potential benefits. One client applied for VA benefits without planning first. It took the VA 10 months to deny their claim before they came to see me. A simple fix could have qualified them from the start, but they lost 10 months of benefits. Mistake number 3, not using expert help. The rules for Medicaid and VA benefits are extremely complex and change often. Trying to navigate the system alone is like trying to do your own surgery. I've seen families argue for months about whether to hire an elder law attorney, only to lose over $100,000 in assets that could have been protected. Mistake number 4, thinking a lawyer will cost too much. The fee for our services is a small fraction of what we save for families. We charge a flat fee that's clear up front. And Medicaid does not penalize you for paying an attorney to help with planning. The benefits we get for clients are often tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Mistake number 5, waiting until it's too late. While we can help in crisis situations, the earlier you plan, the more options you have. Every month that passes without proper planning could cost your family $10,000 or more in unnecessary expenses. The good news is there's a better way. The secret is understanding how Medicaid and other government benefits actually work and using legal strategies to protect your assets while qualifying for these programs. Our elder care program uses 3 simple steps to shield assets. First, we meet with you to understand your unique situation and design a customized plan that fits like a hand in a glove. Second, We handle all the paperwork, applications, and communication with government agencies. We take this burden off your shoulders so you can focus on caring for your loved one. Third, we guide you through the entire process, making sure you avoid the common pitfalls that cost other families thousands of dollars. Imagine having peace of mind, knowing that if you or your spouse needs care, you have a clear plan in place. Picture your family freed from the burden of making tough financial decisions during a health crisis. Think about preserving the money you've worked so hard for, ensuring it benefits your children and grandchildren rather than being spent on care costs. With proper planning, this isn't just possible, it's achievable for most families, even those with modest savings. If what I've described sounds like something you need, here's what to do next. Click the button below to schedule a free, no-obligation strategy call with our team. During this 30-minute call, we'll discuss your specific situation and outline possible protection strategies. When you click that button, you'll be taken to our calendar where you can select a time that works for you. After that, you'll speak with one of our elder law specialists who will begin creating your customized protection plan. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking right now, but my mom is already in a nursing home. Isn't it too late for us? I hear this all the time, and I'm happy to tell you that it's almost never too late. Even if your loved one is already receiving care, we can often protect a significant portion of your assets. Remember Susan's story I mentioned earlier. Her mother was already in a facility when they came to us, and we still saved half of her assets. You might also be wondering, isn't this all very complicated? I don't understand all these rules. And you're right. These rules are complex and they change frequently. But here's the good news. You don't need to understand all the details. That's exactly why we're here. We handle all of the complicated parts for you, just like a doctor handles the complex parts of a medical procedure. You don't need to become an expert. That's our job. Some of you may be thinking, I don't have that much money saved up. Is this even worth it for someone like me? The truth is, families with modest savings often benefit the most from our help. If you have $50,000 or $100,000 saved up, wouldn't you rather preserve that for your family than watch it all go to a nursing home? Even smaller estates can benefit significantly from proper planning. I also hear concerns like, this sounds like we're trying to cheat the system somehow. Let me be very clear. Every single thing we do is completely legal and ethical. We use strategies that are specifically allowed under the law. We're not hiding assets. We're using legal provisions designed to protect families while ensuring care needs are met. And finally, many families tell me, my siblings and I can't agree on what to do. Family disagreements about elder care are incredibly common. Part of our process includes family meetings where we explain options to everyone involved, answer questions, and help reach consensus. Often, having an objective expert in the room can resolve these disagreements and get everyone working together on the same page. The time to protect your family's future is now. Every month that passes without proper planning could cost your family thousands of dollars. Click the button below to schedule your free strategy call. There's no obligation, and you'll gain valuable insights about your options, regardless of whether you decide to work with us or not. Don't leave your family's financial security to chance. Don't risk losing everything you've worked for to long-term care costs. Take control today by scheduling your free strategy call. Your family deserves the peace of mind that comes from knowing you've done everything possible to protect them and your money. Click the button below now and let's get started.